Alright guys, welcome back. I guess this thing is ready for a little drive around the block. Connected the battery, gonna start it up, get it all warmed up and stuff, and we'll take it for a little drive and see how it goes. Hopefully I can film a little bit of it. Let's get it started. Alright, so drove alright. I mean, the transmission does need, I'm pretty sure, a new filter, gasket, everything. I want to service that, and I see that I'm guessing this side, the exhaust manifold, it's smoking, so I'm pretty sure it's a gasket issue. I don't see any leaks on this side or anything, and I didn't spill any oil on this side. I'll probably just clean it up, give it a little wash on this side, and warm up the car again and see if it's still there or not, the smoke. But yeah, drove okay. I mean, the power's still there. Yeah, god damn it, sun is too shiny today, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. Next thing, I'm gonna probably once I take care of those issues, I'll probably get on the electronics of this thing, or the electric issue, which is the whole wiring harness, because I know somebody chopped this thing up before I bought it. They're probably trying to do something, reconnect the AC or something like that, but I really don't care about the AC. I want this thing to get up there and just drive smooth and drive faster, I guess. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated. But I did promise you guys that I was gonna get this thing on the road, and I did. So we'll see you next time.